At 5:15, turning now to a major health alert. As families gather, travel, and spend more time indoors, flu cases are climbing sharply across the region. New data shows a sharp spike in emergency room visits and flu-related hospitalizations.
In Virginia, flu-related emergency and urgent care visits more than doubled in just 1 week, jumping from about 4,000 to nearly 8,700 visits. Health officials say those numbers remain well above what's considered normal for this point in flu season. In the district, the trend is similar. Nearly 700 new flu cases reported in a single week. It's the highest so far this season, with labs confirming more than half of the samples they tested came back positive.
And in Maryland, the impact is already being felt inside of hospitals. More than 1,200 people have been hospitalized with the flu this season, and nearly 1 in 3 tests statewide is coming back positive. Doctors we spoke with say that level of positivity is a clear signal the virus is spreading widely in our communities.
We're definitely seeing people coming in very sick and needing to be hospitalized. And these are often healthy individuals who are, just this cough that won't quit. And then they get exhausted, because you can't rest and you can't recuperate. And we're still rising. We haven't hit peak yet. So we're hoping that it trends like 2023, 2024. But we haven't hit that peak yet. So it's going to get worse before it gets better. But in years past, there has been another change, another drift later in the season, and then we get a second wave around.
All righty, so one of the big questions right now, is it too late to get a flu shot? Health officials say no. They say vaccination can still lower your risk of severe illness. And as flu activity is expected to stay high into January, doctors also urge basic precautions here. Stay home if you are sick. Wash your hands and consider a mask in crowded indoor spaces.
I'm thinking plain. Please.
Oh, yeah.
That would be a great spot to wear one. Yeah.
Right.
And just a quick note here, beyond the flu, Virginia is also seeing a rise in COVID cases. The health officials are telling us they say the flu remains the dominant respiratory threat as of right now.